Yes, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, were you saying something to me, sir?
हम्म,
Are you saying something to me, sir, in the starting of the class, sir?
yes,
I did.
मैंने बता रहा था दो हिमांशु कहाँ से आ गया।
नहीं सर, वो तो मेरे को
मैंने
भी
ये पूछ रहा था दो हिमांशु कहाँ से आ गए। आपका नाम मुझे दो बार दिख रहा था उसलिए।
अच्छा, ओके।
वेर इज उद्भव? उद्भव तो आजकल तो कुछ बात ही नहीं कर रहा। उद्भव, उद्भव, हाउ आर यू उद्भव?
फाइन सर।
तो फिर आजकल कुछ बात ही नहीं चल रहा।
नहीं सर, एग्जाम्स का प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ।
डांस का तैयारी कर रहे हो?
नहीं, एग्जाम सर।
एग्जाम्स है तो अच्छा, क्लास में तो कुछ बात किया करो भाई। तब
यस
तक
सर।
कुछ कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड भी दे दो। तब तक मुझे रिस्पॉन्ड कभी भी नहीं मिलता है। ये क्या बोलता है, प्रतिभा, प्रत्युषा से, तन्वी से। आई नेवर गेट रिस्पॉन्ड फ्रॉम दीस पीपल। क्यों, ऐसा क्यों होता है? बताओ, बताओ प्रत्युषा, प्रत्युषा।
यस सर।
बताओ क्या होता है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है? कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही। क्या ऐसे ही? बताओ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, कोई कुछ भी। इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
नो सर।
हम्म
नो सर।
आपको समझ में आ रहा है सब?
यस सर।
आर यू श्योर?
यस
आपने
सर।
जो तीन चार पांच क्लासेस मिस किया था ना, उसको एक बार उसका रिकॉर्डिंग एकदम, यू हैव यू गॉन थ्रू दैट? उसको देख लिया? नहीं सर, भूल गए सर। हैव यू वॉच्ड और नॉट, आई एम आस्किंग। यस, टेल मी। हेलो प्रत्युषा, आर यू हियर?
यस।
हाँ, टेल मी, have you gone through that recordings? I'm asking you only.
सर नो सर।
Why? Why? Please watch it out. If you don't watch it out, you don't understand. Very simple. Okay. So guys, I gave a couple of questions to you in the last class. So we have done with the surface areas and volumes lesson. So now, shall we go for the next topic? Hello.
Yes,
People,
sir.
any doubts in surface areas and volumes? Hello.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
one of the questions that we did, I think it was
Yes. Tell me.
the question.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Tell me.
Yes, sir. The question about the hollow cylinder, I didn't quite get it. Why did you? I mean, can we do more?
Still, you didn't get that question.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you, but your voice is low. Which question you're talking about?
The one where there was a hollow cylinder and it was asking if you
Eighteenth
had.
one.
No, sir. It was, yeah. No. I think it's more from.
Sorry.
I think it's between 1 and 10.
1 and 10. Which one?
They're higher.
Which one? Tell me.
I don't quite remember the number, but I
Sorry?
can tell you which question it is.
I can't hear you properly.
Can you
Can't hear you properly. Can you please?
can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Sir, I'll look at the class notes, lecture notes.
Yes. Which question? This one?
Yes, sir. This one, question 5.
Okay. What you did not understand?
I didn't understand the process, how you took it and how
Okay.
you solved it.
Sure. We'll take this question again. Second. Yes. So what he has given? Look at this here plus. What is the length of the solid cylinder? Length of a solid cylinder 2 centimeter in the diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter of external length so length of 16 centimeter, external diameter 20 centimeter and thickness is 2.5. Okay, look at this का procedure हम लोग करेंगे. Basically, yes, let me draw the diagram. और simply आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है इधर देखो सॉलिड सिलेंडर का डायमीटर दिया है इधर. Look at this solid cylinder का diameter. Okay, सॉलिड सिलेंडर का डायमीटर मतलब diameter of solid cylinder कितना है 2 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. what he has given and diameter 2 centimeters in diameter and it must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder. It must be taken to recast a hollow cylinder. Okay, so what he has given, you write that given that solid cylinder, what is the solid cylinder recast to form what? To hollow cylinder which has length what? Length of 16 centimeter and external diameter 20 centimeters. Thickness, these all are points given 2.5 mm. So these all things are in centimeters. So let me convert this into centimeters. So 2.5 mm divide into divided by how much? 10 centimeters. तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? तो 2.5 by 100, so 0.25. ठीक है, this is what I got. इधर तक क्लियर है ना सब? Okay.
Yes,
So what
sir.
he has given that solid cylinder को recast करने के बाद hollow cylinder पे बनाना है, which has length 16 centimeters. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास पता है किसके बारे में, सिलेंडर की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. ओके, इसका रेडियस कितना है? तो देखो वॉल्यूम ऑफ मेरा सॉलिड सिलेंडर तो ये है, तो इसका रेडियस कितना होगा? 1 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो देखो इसको क्या करेंगे इधर, पाई इन पाई एच. ठीक, तो मेरा कुछ भी ले लो, ये मेरा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 है. ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 है. नेक्स्ट, मेरे पास ये हाइट क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस हाइट हियर? Length. He is talking about length, right? There will be length here. Is that clear? What is h here? Pi r square h. तो मेरे पास pi है, तो एक. What is h here? What is h? Length of solid cylinder. आया समझ? मेरे पास hollow cylinder. What do you mean by hollow cylinder, guys? Look at this here. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. ये भी सिलेंडर ही है, तो इसका क्या होगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर एच ही होगा. मतलब ये आर स्क्वायर क्या होता है? हमने हॉलो सिलेंडर को चाहिए, हमारे को वॉल्यूम ऑफ हॉलो सिलेंडर चाहिए. वॉल्यूम का मतलब देखो, मुझे समझो इधर, everyone try to understand. Okay, मुझे ये ब्लू कलर का लेंथ चाहिए, तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ ब्लू लेंथ चाहिए. तो बड़ा वाला का वॉल्यूम माइनस छोटा वाला का माइनस करेंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? ये रेडियस चाहिए मुझे. ये रेडियस चाहने के लिए क्या करूंगा मुझे? टेल मी. रेडियस ऑफ द आउटर माइनस रेडियस ऑफ द इनर वन. यस और नो?
Sir, don't you need to do radius of the outer cylinder minus the thickness to get the radius of the inner cylinder?
One second.
अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है, लिखना आ रहा है. 1 second guys, be in line. अरे क्या हो रहा है? देखो मेरे पास, आपको ये डायग्राम समझना चाहिए आपको. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या है समझो, क्वेश्चन को देखो. ये मेरा सिलेंडर, ठीक है, थोड़ा समझ. What should be, because what he has asked, what length of a cylinder? We have to find out length. What length of a cylinder? 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter, external diameter 20, so thickness 2.5. What is the length of this? We have to find out length. ठीक है, ये मेरा क्या है? ये मेरा वॉल्यूम, आई मीन वॉल्यूम, ये सिलेंडर का, ये कितना, इसका रेडियस कितना दिया है, आई मीन इसका डायमीटर दिया है 2 सेंटीमीटर. आया समझ? ध्यान से सुनिए. इसका डायमीटर दिया है 2 सेंटीमीटर। थोड़ा इसको ऐसा क्रॉस कर दो, इसको 2 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर, ठीक है। हाँ, मैंने वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर पेयर स्क्वायर लिख दिया मैंने। दिस इज व्हाट आई रोट हियर, ठीक है। नाउ I need to find length, right? So I took h value as length. So let me write this one as, आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो ये देखो, मैं ध्यान से आपको समझाऊंगा अच्छे तरीके से। ये पाई है, रेडियस 1 है, यल लेंथ है मेरा, तो क्या होगा मेरा पाई यल होगा। ये मान लो इसको पहली वाले नंबर, पहली इक्वेशन, इसको क्या मान लेते हैं, इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, ठीक है। हाँ, मेरा हॉलो सिलेंडर बनाना है, अभी मुझे हॉलो सिलेंडर भी बनाना है। देखो ये मेरा एक सिलेंडर हो गया, तो ये भी बना दो, बाहर वाला सिलेंडर एक्सटर्नल वाला, ये इसको भी बना लो ऐसा। अरे एक मिनट, ओके। देखो इसका ये दिया है बेटा, देखो ध्यान से सुनो, ये क्या है मेरा, ये जो दिख रहा है ना, थिकनेस का मतलब क्या होता है, यही तो होता है थिकनेस, ये जो येलो कलर वाला है ना, ऐसा नो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये हमारा थिकनेस है, तो ये क्या होगा, देखो ये क्या दिया है, हाउ मच ही हैज गिवन, थिकनेस क्या है 2.5, and he has given length how much, 16 centimeter.
16 centimeter.
एंड एक्सटर्नल डायमीटर कितना दिया है, देखो बेटा 20 सेंटीमीटर ना। हाँ, तो इधर से इधर लेको देख पूरा, इधर से पूरा इधर तक ये कितना है, 20 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर, एक्सटर्नल डायमीटर, ओके। बेटा ध्यान से सुनो इधर, बेटा ध्यान से सुनो इधर, मेरा ये थिकनेस कितना था, ओहो हो एक मिनट, just a minute. ओहो कौन इज दिस नाउ, अच्छा देखो इसको ऐसा कर लेंगे, ये मेरा थिकनेस क्या है, ये थिकनेस ही होगा ना मेरा, ये थिकनेस 2.5, ये भी 2.5 होगा, अभी आया समझ रहे हैं बेटा, आ रहा है, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट हियर, ये 2.5
Yes,
है
sir.
तो ये भी 2.5 होगा ना। हाँ, फिर आउटर रेडियस 20 दिया है, तो इनर रेडियस कितना है, देखो गाइस आई एम टॉकिंग, दिस इज माय सॉलिड सिलेंडर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सॉलिड सिलेंडर, ठीक है। सॉलिड सिलेंडर का अलग है, मैंने ये हॉलो सिलेंडर का बता रहा हूँ। देखो ये 2.5 थिकनेस है, इसका लेंथ 16 दिया है, आउटर रेडियस 60 दिया है, तो इनर रेडियस कितना होगा,
Sir, 9 point. Sir, I got the inner radius as 9.75.
मुझे बताओ बेटा ये क्या होगा, मुझे बताओ, इन आउटर रेडियस तो 20 है, तो इनर रेडियस कितना होगा, आई मीन इन आउटर डायमीटर 20 है, तो इनर डायमीटर कितना होगा, ये कितना होगा, 20 minus 5, right? Sorry, not 20 minus 5, guys, this is in, oh my goodness, this is in my mm, so convert into cm. If I convert into cm, how much I got, 0.25, right? हाँ, ये 2.5 mm है, तो मैंने how much I got here, let us write here, this is what 2.5 means 0.25 centimeter, and ये भी मेरा 0.25 centimeter, so 0.25 how much, कितना 0.50 सेंटीमीटर, तो दोनों ये वाला मिला के 0.50 है, तो ये वाला पूरा कितना है लंबा वाला, the full one, the full diameter is 20, सो 20 माइनस 0.50 तो 19.5। ये मेरा इनर रेडियस कितना भी इन सॉरी इनर डायमीटर हाउ मच 19.5। यस और नो?
Yes,
डू
sir.
यू एग्री विथ माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir, I agree.
यस। तो अभी मुझे देखो हॉलो सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम निकालना है। समवन इज इन वेटिंग। यस। लुक एट दिस हॉलो सिलेंडर। अभी बताओ मुझे इसका रेडियस आई मीन इसका हॉलो सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? अभी बताओ इसका वॉल्यूम, अभी जल्दी से बताओ।
Sir, the radius would be 9.75.
सॉरी
9.75.
देखो मेरे पास टू रेडियस है होगा ना इधर, मेरे पास दो रेडियस होगा ना, आउटर रेडियस माइनस इनर रेडियस। सर नो वॉल्यूम ऑफ हॉलो सिलेंडर क्या होगा? अरे एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट। इसको थोड़ा हाँ अभी लिख लेंगे। तो ये क्या होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर एच राइट। सो पाई व्हाट इज आर रेडियस हियर? दो रेडियस है मेरा, r2 स्क्वायर माइनस r1 स्क्वायर। इसको वॉल्यूम ऑफ इनर रेडियस आई मीन वॉल्यूम ऑफ इनर आई मीन आउटर माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ, ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ मैं इसको। यस सर नो?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how?
क्लियर?
Why would you write it like that? What's your reason for writing it like that?
I can't tell you.
Sir, why did you subtract the volume of the bigger cylinder by the volume of the smaller?
Sorry, volume of the see solid. I'm this is a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder का मतलब यही होता है। hollow cylinder का मतलब यही होता है। देखो ध्यान से सुनो, डायग्राम देखो, वही मीन्स ये मेरा आउटर रेडियस ना, ये मेरा आउटर रेडियस है, ये मेरा इनर रेडियस है। ठीक है, समझो इधर देखो दो रेडियस है, ध्यान से सुनिए। इधर से ये सेंटर है ना, इधर से लेकर ये आउटर रेडियस है, ठीक है। एंड ये क्या है मेरा इनर रेडियस है, देखो ये वाला। तो मुझे ये चाहिए ना, ठीक है। तो वही तो बचा वाला है ना, वही तो बचा वाला है। पूरा से हम लोग पूरा निकाल देंगे तो यही तो मेरा बचने वाला है ना। जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट, दिस इज माय रिमेनिंग पार्ट, रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट। यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ। नाउ लुक एट
Hello, sir.
वन सेकंड। ये क्या होगा मेरे पास पाई एच तो निकाल लेंगे कॉमन, r2 स्क्वायर माइनस r1 स्क्वायर। ठीक है, तो पाई एच हाउ मच h वैल्यू इज हियर 60 h हाइट। तो r2 रेडियस ऑफ आउटर डायमीटर हाउ मच 20 में से 20/2 10 स्क्वायर माइनस r1 कितना है बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हाउ मच r1 कितना है 20/2। गाइस 19.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कितना होगा 195/20। तो इसका मतलब
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
1 सेकंड।
नाउ कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
यस। तो 19/2, 19/2 कितना 5 4 5 3 5 9, सो 39/4। 39/4 का मतलब 4 1s 4 9 36 3 4 4 9.75, तो 9.75 होल स्क्वायर। तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? तो गाइस 100 minus 9.75. 9.75 square मतलब कितना आएगा? Solve this, guys. After this you will get it. Equate both the things. Here 16.5 minus 100 minus 9.75. You will be getting 9.75. So calculate this, how much you get? 39. Two. 1 second, 1 second. I'm calculating roughly. You calculate neatly, guys. So 2, 6, 10.15, 9. So I got how much? 95.0625. This is what I got. Yes. Okay. So 95 मतलब कितना आएगा इधर? 100 minus 95.0625. Calculate करो. How much you get? 7 here. 3, 9, 9. 4.9 something. Yes or no? 4 point. So 16 pi equal to 4.9375. So this is my hollow cylinders volume. ठीक है. So if you consider this as, guys, like 60, if you want accurate answer, you have to calculate this. If you consider this as 5, you will be getting around somewhere 80 pi. ठीक है. Around somewhere 80 pi. 80 pi is equal to, or else you, if you want to calculate this accurately, equate with this. We need what? Length, right? Length of the outer one. Guys, calculate this, how much you want, how much you will get. Make it fast, tell me. This into this, how much? So in the first equation, this is my, whatever you get here, this is my second equation. So 1 is equal to 2, you do, you will get length value from there. Find it out. Will you be able to do now after this? Guys, first equation is pi L, my first equation is pi L. Second equation is you will get something. 4 point, what do you get? What do you get here after solving this? Make it fast, tell me. Hello? Hello? Are you here, guys? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So 78.88 I'm getting somewhere. I mean almost 79 I'll be getting. So if you tag that, I'll be getting 79 something. Okay. So calculate that now.
79 pi. Guys, here one thing you need to understand is why we are equating
this. Why we are equating this? मेरे पास ये कहाँ से मिला ये? Why we are equating this? ये कहाँ से मिला? ये hollow cylinder. This से, from this from solid cylinder only I got hollow cylinder after recasting that. That is the reason we are equating here. आया समझ? Hello. L is equal to 79 centimeters. ये हो गया मेरा लेंथ. आया समझ? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shut up. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
सी फ्रॉम एक सॉलिड सिलेंडर से मैंने रिकास्ट करके हॉलो सिलेंडर को बना रहा हूँ. हॉलो सिलेंडर का कभी भी वॉल्यूम निकालने का तरीका होता है. हॉलो सिलेंडर का मतलब इनर पार्ट होता है, आउटर पार्ट होता है, दो होता है इधर. ठीक है, उसको वॉल्यूम निकालने का तरीका होता है. वॉल्यूम मुझे बचा हुआ वॉल्यूम आउटर माइनस इनर रेडियस करेंगे तो ही मिलेगा मुझे. समझ रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
Why we are equating at last? Why? Because from hollow cylinder we got from solid cylinder only. उसीलिए मैंने वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ हॉलो सिलेंडर इक्वेट करके ही लिख रहा हूँ मैंने. ओके, सो यस, सो एनी डाउट्स हियर? नेक्स्ट, so tell me guys, shall we go for the next topic? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
I need a response from everyone. How many have you done with your exams from your school side? How many have you done?
Sorry, what was your question?
See, I'm asking that, have you finished your exams from your school side, everyone?
Yes, sir, done from my side.
What about others?
Sir, my pre-boards start from November 1st.
Sorry?
My pre-boards start from November 1st.
Yes, I know that. November 9th, I mean, sorry, December 9th, you are going to write your exam, right?
No, sir, I'm talking about the pre-boards.
Pre-board. Actually, I'm talking about term exam.
It's you can't count it as a term exam, but sure.
Sorry?
Yes, sir, my exams start from November 1st.
November 1st. You told that you had some exam earlier?
That was periodic test 3. This is pre-boards now.
Okay. What about others? What about the rest of the people? Tell me which chapter shall we start?
For me, it's going on.
For you going on. And I would request from everyone that, guys, do you have any doubts from the term 1 syllabus?
No, sir.
Any one of you, anyone, please make it fast.
Sir, I have doubts in trigonometry.
Trigonometry, okay. What about others?
Sir, I have a bit.
Sir, can we have an extra
cognitive
class on
systems.
trigonometry?
Definitely, we'll have an extra class, and I'll tell you the extra class when the extra class is.
Sir, can we have it before November 1st? Because we have on November 1st we have maths mock 2 exam.
Oh, so November 1st, I don't think so. Probably we'll have tomorrow.
Sure, sir.
Sir, later on, can we also have an extra class for triangles?
Sorry?
Later on, can we also have an extra class for triangles?
Sure. Exactly. What
Sir,
about
on
others?
31st October, you're not free?
No. Actually, I won't be available from 28th of this month, which means from Friday onwards. Okay, so already I mentioned in the group, right? So after whatever the classes I'm checking in like in the form of all extra classes. So tomorrow we'll have an extra class, no problem.
Sir, I asked this because on 31st October I am free, sir. Because from from 25th I had mock 2 started.
Oh, but because I won't be available on that day, that's why tomorrow you attend for only one class, then you can just do. After that, you'll be having, after that you won't be having math class. So I'm taking an extra classes. So again, we'll be taking the class. So Friday's class will be, we will not be having Monday's class and the Wednesday's class. So these three classes will be missing. All these classes I'm just trying to covering up. If any classes is missing, I'll be covering after, Diwali. So we will not be having, one second. We will not be having class on Diwali, right? So Diwali will be holiday. So when is Diwali? One second. 4th is the Diwali. So
November 4th.
yeah. So 3rd you will be having holiday. I think 4th you will be having holiday. So yes, let's see. So 3rd class is like, yeah, Monday only will be missing the class. Friday and Monday. These 2 classes will be missing. So already I covered 2 classes. So tomorrow I'm taking extra classes. Tomorrow I'll be taking an extra class. Tomorrow everyone should attend. Is it fine? Tomorrow at what time can we have?
6, sir.
At what time? 6 o'clock.
6.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, any time
Sir, because tomorrow I have school till 3:30.
Okay, but 6:30 others are having class, so 5 to 6 is fine.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
5 to 6. What about other girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. 5 to 6 is fine.
Is there any problem with anyone? So 5 to 6. Okay. I'll tell you the timings tomorrow. Why? Because timing should not clash with other classes. That's why. Okay. Chalo. Then we will go with new chapter. Tell me. Now tell me guys, now shall we go with your doubts if possible?
Fine, sir.
If anyone having doubts now, can you clarify your doubts now? Why? Because now let us, it is very important. You have to be you have to be clear with your term one. Why? Because you are going to write the final exam on that, right? So yes. Make it fast. Which topic? So triangles, Diksha, you asked for triangles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Ardeep.
Sir, then and there in seconds to know the trigonometric, sine 30, cos 60,
Mhm.
those things. We just practice, right? There's no other shortcut, right?
Yes, there is a shortcut actually, but you will be learning to remember the sine 30 value and all.
Yeah, that one I know, sir. But then also it takes some time to recollect everything.
No, shortcut, there will be a proof. You will be learning 11th standard. So you can write sine 30 as sine 15 plus sine 50. So you will be having a formula called sine A plus B. Sine A plus B formula you will be having. If you substitute one by one, you will be having a sine 15 degrees, sine 15 degrees formula. Sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees. Every formula you will be having. In 11th standard, you'll be learning all this proof. But you want me to tell a quick thing, okay, to recall, to recollect all those. So let me tell you.
Yes.
So sine theta, cos theta. Ashish, listen the class. For you only, trigonometry.
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
0, 30, 45, 60, 90. See here, only thing you need to remember is only sine theta. Only thing you need to remember is sine theta. Let me tell you. See, if you know sine theta, everything is very easy then. Okay.
0, 1
Sine
by
0 is 0 here. Sine 30 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
1 by root 2.
Root
3
3
by
by
2.
Root 3 by 2.
देखो ये हमने इधर से लिखा है ना, अभी हमने इधर फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में वी आर गोइंग, सो हम बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन विल स्टार्ट विद 1 √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2, 0। इसमें कोई दिक्कत है?
No.
देखो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर इज व्हाट, पहला क्या आता है? 0, 30, 45, 50, 60 एंड 90। दीज आर द थिंग्स वी हैव। ठीक है, we don't have sin 55 and all, like we'll be having, but those values will be like you'll be having table, you can't remember all those. Whatever the standard you have as per your syllabus, you have to learn that. Clear? So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 you have. So sin 0 से पकड़कर 90 तक है, तो we are just going in this way. ठीक है, so for signing we are going 0, 1/2, √3/2, so 1/√2, √3/2, 1, and for cos theta we are coming from back this way. ठीक है, yes or no? 1 √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2, 0। for tan theta क्या होता है? माइंड कैलकुलेशन देखो, आपको sin थीटा है, sin थीटा cos थीटा माइंड में है, तो tan थीटा बहुत इजी है। ठीक है गाइज, इफ यू नो द वैल्यूज ऑफ sin थीटा इन माइंड, सो sin 0 का 0 होता है, 30 का 1/2 होता है, 45 का 1/√2 होता है, बोथ का, both will be 1/√2 only. And look at this here, 30 and 60 will be vice versa cross, and इसमें देखो आ रहा है समझ, both will be
Yes, sir.
plus. Okay, these two will be same here, and this will be same here, this and this will be same here, this and this will be same, this and this will be same. थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिए, याद रखने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ। ठीक है, यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस। सो साइन tan थीटा क्या होता है? tan थीटा क्या होता है? sin बाई cos। तो 0/1 कितना होता है? 0। 1/2 mind calculation you have to do, there is no shortcut. See,
1/√3.
if you solve, the more you solve, the more you practice, the more you remember, that is what. Okay, 1/2 divided by √3/2, so क्या मिलेगा? इधर 1/√3, ये तो 1 मिलेगा सीधा, तो ये सीधा क्या मिलेगा? √3, ये तो इनफाइनाइट, मतलब नॉट डिफाइंड। ठीक है, नॉट डिफाइंड, you can define simply not defined. All right, yes, yes sir, no, the only thing if you practice more questions, tan 30 का मतलब ये होता है, tan 60 का मतलब थोड़ा बड़ा सा होता है, आया समझ? All right, yes, this is how. Now cosecant क्या होता है? cosecant 0 क्या होता है? 1/0, not defined. yes sir, no, cosecant 30 क्या होता है? 2। cosecant 45 क्या क्या होता है?
√3.
1 second, cosecant 45 क्या होता है? √2। cosecant 60 क्या होता है? 2/√3। cosecant 90 क्या होता है? 1 होता है। yes or no? Reciprocal of the individual things, very simple. Any doubts here? Very simple guys,
No, sir.
No doubts.
very simple. Yes, so yes, tell me what are the doubts you have from trigonometry? Tell me, Ashish, so that I'll clear your doubt now itself.
So these only, sir. This table
Table, apart from this,
values I was not able to remember, sir. But now I got the trick.
see you, the more you practice, the more you remember. For that's what I'm telling you. Values, look at this here.
Yes, sir.
You will remember 0, sin 0 मतलब 0, बस कास में क्या होता है? उल्टा होता है, इधर 0 हुआ तो इधर 1 होता है, इधर 1/2 है तो इधर √3/2 होता है, इधर दोनों सेम ही होता है। देखो याद करो, 45 सेम होता है, 60 30 में थोड़ा चेंज आता है, 0 90 में थोड़ा चेंज आता है, तो 60 में इधर √3/2 है तो ये 1/2 होगा, वही वर्षा। देखो भाई, आपको साइन का याद है तो सब इजी बन जाएगा, साइन कास दोनों याद कर लो। Why? Because दोनों, like if you go forward direction for sin, for cos you have to come from backward direction, that is what. अगर आपको tan चाहिए तो sin by cos कर दो, आ रहा है समझ? yes or no?
हाँ.
People
Yes, sir.
getting my point? Yes. हाँ, anything else? इसको याद रखने का ट्रिक पता चल गया अभी? हाँ, कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का डाउट है? कोई क्वेश्चंस में डाउट है?
Sir.
yes
Sir, so by just knowing the sin theta, we can take out all the values, right?
yes yes by knowing sin theta you can take out all the values. Look at it, do you want me to write cosec theta, all those? Let me tell you here. देखो मैंने फिर से थोड़ा एक टेबल बनाऊंगा इधर, देखो इधर से एक टेबल बनाएंगे, किसका? कोसेक का, कोसेक थीटा का बताएंगे। तो देखो कोसेक थीटा, कोसेक 0 क्या होता है बताओ? 0, देखो बेटा कोसेक थीटा किसका रेसिप्रोकल होता है? 1/sin थीटा ना, सर नो। देखो कोसेक थीटा क्या होता है, 1/sin थीटा ना। तो कोसेक जीरो क्या होगा, कोसेक जीरो क्या होगा बेटा, 1/sin 0 ना।
Infinite.
देखो मैंने
Infinite.
बता
Yes,
रहा हूँ,
sir.
कोसेक जीरो क्या होता है, 1/sin 0। 1/sin 0 कितना था, 0 था। 1/0 कितना,
0.
इन्फाइनाइट। तो कोसेक जीरो कितना हो गया, नॉट डिफाइंड। माइंड कैलकुलेशन करना है, उसीलिए मैंने बता रहा हूँ आपको, ये एक पता है, आपको ये एक पता है, विच वन साइन थीटा, तो आपको सब पता चल जाएगा। होप इट इज क्लियर। ऑलराइट। हाँ, मुझे बताओ अभी देखो, कोसेक 30 कितना होता है, कोसेक 30, कोसेक 30, कोसेक 30 इसका
1/2,
वुड
sir.
रेस भाई 1/2 है,
√3
उसका
by
रेसिप्रोकल 2। सर नो, मेरे पास साइन 30 कितना है, देखो कोसेक 30 कभी भी पूछेंगे, समवन इज आस्किंग फॉर कोसेक 30, आई मीन लाइक कोसेक 30, देन साइन 30 रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन 30 कितना, 2। रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1/2 कितना भाई, 1/1/2 कितना होता है, 2 ही तो होगा, 2 ही तो होगा। सर नो,
Sir,
यस,
sir, just after the invigilator gives us the paper,
हाँ,
can we draw this table?
yes you can draw, nothing wrong in that, you can absolutely draw that.
Okay, just sine, cos, and tan because they are
Yes.
just reciprocal. So we can
Yes,
do
yes,
that.
yes. Yeah, better you do this. This like it takes just a minute. Just 10 seconds of time. You just need not to draw all neatly table and waste your time. Need not to draw your table.
Yes, sir, rough only, rough.
Roughly, you just write zero. Look, sine theta, you write 0, 30, 45. You write like this. Don't draw these lines. Don't design over there. It kills your time. Okay, understood. Roughly, you draw, and yes, nothing wrong in that. You can do that.
Okay, sir.
Yes, after giving question paper, that is your wish, whether you are writing or not writing. You can do that. Okay, but write with a pencil in the question paper.
Yes, yes.
Everyone, follow this, things. Don't write anything with a pen in the. You can erase. Write whatever you want, but you need to erase it back. Okay, fine. Yes, anything else from trigonometry, guys? Tell me.
No,
Tell-
sir,
tell
nothing
me-
for
Sir,
now.
here sec theta is 1 by cos theta, no?
Let me tell you. Yes, let me tell you here. देखो मेरे पास cosec थीटा क्या है, 1/sin थीटा, and secant थीटा क्या होता है, 1/cos थीटा. You are right. 1 and मेरे पास और क्या है, cot थीटा. Cot थीटा क्या होता है, 1/tan थीटा. हाँ, मुझे ये इसको बोलता है what these all are what reciprocal angles, reciprocal functions or reciprocal angles. मेरे पास सर cosec theta can be written as 1/sin theta, right? Now sin theta can be written as what, 1/cosec theta, can I write? Of course. చూడండి ఇక్కడ sin theta మళ్ళీ తీసుకొస్తే ఇక్కడ దీన్ని తీసుకొస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, yes or no, yes or no, from this.
Yes, sir.
From cos
Sir?
theta can be written as what, 1/secant theta. Yes. Tan theta can be written as what, 1/cot theta. Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Sorry, sir. I was in mute actually. I was talking. Yeah. So cosec equals to 1 by sine and sec equals to 1 by cos. This also we can remember saying that C and S never meet each other. Because when it's cosec, it will not be cos, it will be sine. And when it's sec, it will not be sine, it will be cos.
You can remember. See, that is completely depends on you, how you are remembering. Look at this here. Or else you can remember like this, CS. Yes, C. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ? And CT, cycle test. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
You can remember like this. बेटा देखो, ये थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा बगल रख दो, बाजू में रख दो इसको. ये हमारा हमको ये पता है, तो ये तो आसान है ना. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
children?
sir.
If you know one thing, that's remaining is very easy. So मेरे पास कोसेक है, तो कोसेक किसका है, रेसिप्रोकल साइन का. ठीक है, इधर यस है, तो मैंने क्या बताया था, सी यस, यस सी, सी टी. कोसेक किसका रेसिप्रोकल है, साइन का. देखो ये इसको लिख दो सी एस आई, इसको बना दो ऐसा सी है. ठीक है, एस आर नो, सी एस आई. कोसेक किसका रेसिप्रोकल है, आपको ये भी नहीं समझ में आएगा
Sine.
तो देखो सर इधर 2 सी है, देखो बेटा इधर सी एस, एस सी, सी टी. कोसेक साइन में बदलेगा, कॉस सीकेंट, मैंने सीकेंट कॉट में बदलेगा, सॉरी कॉस में. एंड cot tan में बदलेगा, ठीक है? You can remember like this. All right, any doubts?
No, sir.
Cosec का मतलब साइन होता है रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन. Secant is reciprocal
sir.
of cos. Secant is reciprocal of cos. And cot is reciprocal of tan. Very simple. Clear? Any doubts? Make it fast. And one more doubt, one more common doubt is, sir, how should we approach towards the question? When we are looking at a question, we won't be getting an idea that how can we just recall, I mean, like, how, what kind of approach we should apply? What is our approach supposed to be? That, you might be getting it out. All right. So see, basically, whenever you are approaching towards a question, your approach should be, look, basically, especially proof kind of question. Proof. Or you do one thing. This is your MCQ test, right? The term one test will be MCQ test, isn't it? So in term one, you will not get prove that questions. That is not a subjective test. So whatever the prove that questions you have in your textbook, guys, LHS is equal to RHS, you have to prove, right? You understand my point?
Yeah, sir.
You understand? He will ask you LHS and he will give you what is RHS dash. Okay, let's say for suppose sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Yes or no? Let me tell you one thing. Let me give a simple question here. Question is cot theta. One second. Oh. One second, it is not working. एक minute. Oh my goodness, what happened? Something happened to this pen. It is not stopping. Look at this. For suppose, oh. Okay, so you have a question like prove the, I mean, like not prove that tan theta into cot theta is equal to dash. For suppose I'm giving you basic, very basic question. Very basic question. I'm giving you options. Option A is 1, or you write something like 1. Option B 0. Option C 2. Option D 3. What would be the answer? What would be the answer? Hello? What is the answer? 1 is the answer. Why you are thinking this much? How 1? Look at this here. Tan theta into cot theta. How can you write cot theta? 1 by tan theta, right? Tan cot cancel. What do you remain with? 1, no? Yes or no?
Sir, and also tan theta is a sin theta by cos and cot is cos by sin. So it cancels in one.
Yes, you anta pedda chese badalu cot ne simple ga change. You instead of doing that, you can simply cot, right? Cot can be written as 1 by tan. Tan will be getting cancelled, or else you do tan can be written as sin by cos. So cot can be written as what? Cos by sin. This cancel 1. This is also correct. ఇప్పుడు tan theta ని మనము sin theta, if you are writing tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, then cot theta is what? Tan and cot both are reciprocal, which means this can be written as what? Cos theta by sin theta. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or no? Yes. That's what we wrote here. So instead of thinking this much, simply these are reciprocal to each other. I have multiplication. Oh, one second. These are reciprocal to each other and I have multiplication here. So this will be, whenever you have, guys, look at this here, remember one thing. Let me tell you a shortcut here. So what you understood from this? First suppose sin theta into cosec theta is what? Both will be getting cancelled, one only. Yes or no? Children, are you able to understand? It is disturbing a lot. I don't know what's the problem. Getting my point here.
Yes, sir.
1 second, children. Let me give one more question. Let's say that secant theta into cos theta is equal to dash. Secant theta into cot, sorry, not cos theta. What? ఈ రెండు reciprocal కదా, ఒకదానికి ఒకటి రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి.
It will be 1.
1. Now let me ask you one more question. Now tell me secant theta plus cos theta. Now it can't be 1. Wrong answer. Sir, both will be reciprocal to each other, right? Then it will be 1. What you told? Are here whenever it is multiplication, then only it is 1. You are having plus here, which means 1 by cos plus cos theta. Now what can you write? 1 plus cos square theta divided by cos theta. So 1 plus cos square theta is nothing but what? That is your answer. You can't do anything after this. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, children. So this is what the today's session is all about. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Tomorrow's
Thank you,
extra
sir.
class timing, I'll let you know. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.